Okay, so we're gonna make some ham, potatoes, and green beans. I've also added a cup of Better Than Bouillon. I did do this at a higher concentration, so I used about 2 tablespoons of that. And then right here, I'm using about 1.5 tablespoons of minced onions, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. So let me get all my ingredients in. This is really simple. I just go in here and then dump them into my Instant Pot. And then once I get everything in, I just stir and on the green beans, I did go ahead and rinse them and I snapped off any of the ends. I'm going to add my cup of broth here. My seasonings. And lastly, just gonna start throwing these potatoes in. Alright, let me get these in. I'll be right back. All the ingredients are in. You just gotta get my little lid here, the lid on. Then use the pressure cook button for 10 minutes. And if you have a version 1 or 2 Duo, you would hit the manual button. Then you would seal, which I'm using my Ultra lid, so I don't have to. It automatically seals. But we will come back when this is done. Okay, we've done a quick release. Open it and see what we have. Our potatoes are well done. Just a little bit of texture still left in them. So I'm just gonna stir this and then serve, and we've got a nice easy lunch again.